Hello everyone, I hope that you are having a great time. At this video at LearnTech, I'll show you 3 methods how you can print screen on your computer. The first method is by using the built-in application of Windows, which is called Snipping Tool. You can find Snipping Tool by going at Search, and we search Snipping Tool, and it will pop up this desktop up here. We click on it, and then it will show this tab here where I have the possibility to create a new snip. I will press on New, and from here, by using this sign, I can select the part that I want to screenshot. This is the good feature of this application. For example, I just want to select this part. I do it by using the left of the mouse, and once I'm over with the size that I want to select, I'll just release the left button of the mouse. Then from here I have the possibility to edit also this picture that I have right now. After I'm over with editing of this picture, I can save it by pressing File, Save As, etc, etc. So this was the first method how you can do a screenshot. The second method is by using an external software which is called Lightshot. It's very easy to download it and install it. I'll put the link where you can download it on the description. You can just come at Google and you search Lightshot, and is this application here. You can use this application for Mac and also for Windows. Download for Windows, it's just 2.7 megabytes. Once it's downloaded, I'll just double click on it and it will start the installation of it. These are very standard question of Lightshot to install it. Once it's installed, it will pop up this sign here at the taskbar, and now you can use this application, which is called Lightshot, to screenshot on your computer. To start screenshotting by using this application, I can come here at the taskbar, and I find the application here. I can select on it, and then I can select the size that I want to screenshot. And from here on the right and also here down, you can do different things with this picture. You can edit this picture. For example, you can add text by pressing on this sign here, text, and then you can write on it. For example, this is Lightshot, etc, etc. You can write whatever you want on it. And also you have a marker here, and you can mark if you want something. You have this arrow here, and you can arrow to something that you want. Once I'm over, I press at this sign here, which is save, and it will ask me where I want to save, and I will just save it. You don't have to go always at the taskbar to use this application, but you can just press the button print screen, which is in your keyboard, and it will pop up the application directly, and you can start selecting what you want to screenshot. Alright, so this was the second method how you can do a screenshot. The third method is maybe the most used method, but the problem of this method is that sometimes in different computers you need to use different combination of keyboard to take a screenshot. The standard way how you can take a screenshot by using your keyboard is by pressing the Windows sign here and print screen here. So I'll press the Windows key and then I'll press the print screen, and it will take a screenshot. After this, I open Paint application, and from here I press the keys on the keyboard, Ctrl V, and then I can paste here the screenshot that I took using the keyboard. And here also I can edit the screenshot that I took. So this was the third method how you can take a screenshot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.